In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook not loading properly in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Here, select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Next, click Third-party cookies and select See all site data and permission. In the search bar, type Facebook. Once you see Facebook data, click on the trash icon next to it and confirm by selecting Delete. This will clear Facebook's cached site data. After that, go back to Chrome settings, click on Extensions. Here, temporarily disable all extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, as they can sometimes interfere with Facebook. Now, open Facebook and check if it loads properly. If the issue continues, try refreshing the page with Ctrl+Shift+R to force Chrome to load the latest version of the website. You can also update Chrome to latest version by going to Settings, then clicking on About Chrome, then relaunch the browser after update. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.